So, Michelle, again, today's vlog, there is a storm coming up because we need to be ready today. Already, let's go. First, like and subscribe. Okay. You want to see the rain? Wait a second, guys. I'll go outside, but okay, ready. Wish me luck. Okay, guys, trying to see it. Oh, my goodness, guys. Here. Guys, you see that rain? I have the orientation tomorrow. Maybe I'll make it.
Cancel.
Daddy, cancel ba ang orientation ko? Cancel? Daddy? Cancel ang orientation ko? Daddy?
Hello, Betty.
Daddy? Daddy? Daddy?
Hindi, okay na yun.
Daddy, may orientation po ako bukas. Daddy? Daddy po?
Ano?
May orientation po ako bukas.
Meron na, hindi pa kinakancel.
Oh. It's not cancelled.
Okay, bye-bye na. Bye-bye. Bye-bye naman na, bye-bye. Bye-bye. Ano naman yung batang yan? Kulit naman yung batang yan. Bye-bye na. Bye-bye na kay nanay.
Kasi yung nanay ni Ian ako. Wala daw
Ay,
kasama.
okay, tatay. Tatay.
Okay lang daw bang samahan niya ng ilang araw. Sabihin ko,
Babay ka na na.
okay lang ako.
Tatay.
Pwede babay ka muna. Babay. Hoy.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye ka muna.
Okay, guys.
Alam mo na rin.
Babay ka na.
Bye. Daddy, kakain ba tayo? Kakain tayo?
Kumain ka na ba?
Ikaw?
Di ba kami kumain naman?
Kain na kayo? Okay, guys. Tomorrow is the part 2. Part 2, okay? This is only part 1 from the storm. Okay, guys. See you in part 4 and see you next time. Bye.